Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell's new Latitude 7030 rugged extreme tablet. So friend, it is lightweight, 2.2 pound changes and convenient accessories mean the tablet won't feel unwieldy. So your muscles get relief during a long shift on the warehouse floor at the scene of an accident or and navigating construction sites. And friend, it is a 12-inch fully rugged slate that shares key performance, security, connectivity, and durability features with the 7030 Rugged Extreme, and the new 10-inch model as a companion to its larger sibling where the 12-inch tablet platform well on short commute or during hours-long shift on factory floor, and 10-inch sled offers all-day mobility. It is engineered with the 7030 Rugged Extreme comes with the dual watt swappable battery option as an alternative to the 36-hour internal battery, and those who elect to go with this feature can easily pop in two additional batteries to keep the tablet powered as time passes in the field. And friend, the tablet comes equipped with up to 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor, integrated Iris Xe graphics on i5 and i7 configuration, and up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 memory for powerful performance on the go. And don't worry about running out of space because 7030 Rug Extreme support up to 2 TB NVMe SSD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.